así Dios te hizo bonito.
Impressions on this, I think it's actually pretty good. I mean, it has like this taste, but then again, it's good. So it's like weird. I mean, it tastes good. I mean, I don't know how to explain the taste. I don't know. First time I had it, and I think it's pretty okay. I mean, I don't know if I like the pink drink more or this, but it's okay for now. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be based off a drink at Starbucks that I like personally, which is what is it? The iced green tea latte or the matcha green tea latte, whichever one you want to call it. We're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do a version with whipped cream, obviously, more calories, more fat in that one, and then we're going to do the one without it. And there's going to be the plain green tea matcha. I call it matcha myself. So yeah, and it's going to be iced actually, and this cold water, but I actually like more the iced version. I have not tried the hot like the latte one, so don't know how that tastes. Go ahead and like my video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and share, comment. If you did this, comment down below what you did, and yeah. So these are the ingredients that I used. You want to use 1.5 ounces of water, put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. And then you want to go ahead and get your matcha, and I used like a bamboo spoon or either a wooden spoon, I have no idea. And I put like 3 of these in the water, and I tried to liquefy the powder, obviously. And like I don't know if I said this, but I don't have like measurements for this drink, because it's basically based off like what you want, like however you like your drink, that's how you like it. If you like more matcha in it, then you obviously put matcha, and like however you really want to do it. You really want to customize your drink to like your liking. So you want to stir it, really stir it, and to make it have like no clumps, because you really don't want like a clumpy drink, because then you'll have like clumps in your drink. I'm using coconut milk. You could use any milk you want, and I'm pouring it in this thing. I have no idea how you say this, how this is called. If you do know what it's called, let me know down below. I just know that I think bartenders use this to like shake up their drink and stuff. So like, yeah. So you could actually put it anywhere you want. You really don't have to use this. And you want to pour in some vanilla, and then I'm stirring it just to see how it tastes. And I think I needed just a bit more vanilla. That's why I added a few more drops. You can actually stir like the whole drink or blend the whole drink in a blender, in a NutriBullet. You could even just use a spoon. It's that easy. Or you could just be as extra as I am right now using this. I did forget to say that I used sugar on this. You could use sugar, it is optional. I did use a spoonful and like the half of a spoon, maybe. It was not even half, it was just like the tip. So you can see here goes a spoonful, and then here goes that little bit of sugar. I don't know what difference that makes, but I poured it in. Then you want to go ahead and pour in your matcha, and I really don't like my matcha to go to waste, so I do pour in the milk just to get every single ounce of the matcha that was still left in there, because you do get some left. And then I got my ice cubes too. I think there was like about 8 in there or 6 ice cubes. I don't know. I didn't even know. But you put them in there. I used about 5, I think. I was like, okay, I guess each of us get like a ice cube, because with this like portion, I did make 5 servings, so for like each of us, so like yeah. So then I just put those to the side, because we ain't gonna use those anymore. And I just shaked it like it was no tomorrow. Just kidding. No, but I really did shake it. I don't know, I was just doing too much. I like this thing though, because it's like so glammed on. Like it has pink rhinestones. And what I liked even more was that my parents got it for like 50 cents a couple of days ago, and it's like pretty big and glamorous. So like, hey, and that's how it looks. It doesn't look as green as the Starbucks drink for some reason. They probably use like coloring for it or something, I don't know, but it's good. I like it. It's one of my favorite drinks. Yeah, and that's it for this one. And then these are the ingredients for the whipped cream, which is basically just like the whipped cream and the matcha wafer straws, or however you call those. I really don't know where those come from or where they're at, because my mom actually got those. So yeah, so I actually cut it down because I didn't want it in the full drink, so I just wanted like where the whipped cream was. And then I got some matcha also, and like put it in a strainer and just sprinkled it over the whipped cream. I am no whipped cream expert, as you can see right there. I usually did like the piping for like the cakes. I used to like decorate cakes or whatever, but I'm no expert in that because I don't even practice that anymore. But that's that. And like I said, here I am going to sprinkle that over with the sifter, whatever it's called. And my first impression on like the matcha drink at Starbucks was actually like kind of weird, because it was like a love-hate thing. But I actually liked it. Like I got it a second time. I was like, yes, this is what I like. Probably the first time probably tasted too much like matcha. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see in the video before this, that was my first impression on it. So that is all. I'm over here trying to show you the wafers. Like, girl, you can't even see the picture.